In the vast emptiness of space where light takes years to travel and silence reigns supreme, countless probes drift alone, silent witnesses to the mysteries of the cosmos. These machines, once filled with data and discovery, have fallen silent, their signals lost to the void. But why do these probes go dark? What secrets did they uncover before the silence? Today, we uncover the stories of 5 famous probes that went silent and what their fate tells us about the risks and rewards of exploring the unknown. 1. Voyager 1. The Distant Whisper. Our first story takes us to the edge of the solar system. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1 is the most distant human-made object, over 15 billion miles from Earth. Equipped with a golden record carrying the sounds and images of Earth, Voyager 1's mission was to explore Jupiter and Saturn. But it didn't stop there. It pushed into interstellar space, sending back data about cosmic rays and solar winds. For over 45 years, it continued to transmit, until November 2023, when a glitch corrupted part of its memory, causing it to send indecipherable data back to Earth. The source? A faulty chip in its flight system that altered 3% of its memory, making critical data unreadable. Engineers worked tirelessly, sending command after command into the dark, hoping for a response. Against all odds, they managed to re-establish contact, correcting the glitch. But as its power fades, the question remains: how much longer will we hear Voyager's voice? Then with it too, the Mars Cube. In 2018, 2 tiny trailblazers, Marco A and Marco B, became the first CubeSats to venture into deep space. Their mission was simple yet critical: to act as real-time relays for NASA's InSight lander during its descent to the Martian surface. The CubeSats performed flawlessly, transmitting InSight's landing data back to Earth. But shortly after, the Marco twins went dark, their signals abruptly cut off. Experts believe that cosmic radiation might have fried their circuits or disrupted their software. A harsh reminder of the risks even the smallest explorers face. Unlike larger missions, the Marco CubeSats had no backup systems or power reserves. Their silence was not unexpected, but it was still a loss, a stark end to a brief but groundbreaking mission. Number 3. Opportunity Rover. Designed for a 90-day mission, NASA's Opportunity rover explored Mars for nearly 15 years, covering over 28 miles of treacherous terrain. It discovered evidence of past water, ancient riverbeds, and mineral deposits, transforming our understanding of the red planet. But in June 2018, a massive dust storm enveloped the planet, blocking sunlight for weeks. Opportunity's solar panels were choked with dust, its batteries drained. Its final transmission was both heartbreaking and haunting. Despite 1,000 recovery commands sent from Earth, Opportunity never responded. On February 13, 2019, NASA declared the mission complete, leaving Opportunity to rest in the Valley of Perseverance, its silence a powerful testament to endurance and sacrifice. 4. Pioneer 10. Launched in 1972, Pioneer 10 was the first spacecraft to journey through the asteroid belt and reach Jupiter, sending back humanity's first close-up images of the gas giant. Its mission was a triumph of 1970s engineering, carrying a golden plaque depicting humans and a map to Earth. For over 30 years, Pioneer 10 continued to transmit, its signals growing weaker with each passing year. In January 2003, its power supply finally failed, and contact was lost. Today, Pioneer 10 is more than 12 billion kilometers away, drifting silently towards the Taurus constellation. If ever found, its golden plaque will tell a story of a species that dared to reach beyond its cradle. 5. Capstone. Our final story is the most recent. In July 2022, NASA's Capstone probe, a 55-pound CubeSat, was launched to test a unique lunar orbit intended for future Artemis missions. But just days after deployment, it went dark. Capstone's silence was a chilling reminder of how quickly things can go wrong. After days of silence, engineers managed to restore communication by remotely resetting the probe's systems. The cause? A software glitch that forced Capstone to enter a protective safe mode. For now, Capstone is back on track, but its silence served as a warning that even the smallest technical flaw can turn triumph into tragedy. Conclusion. These silent probes are more than lost missions. They are markers of human courage and curiosity. Their silence speaks volumes, reminding us of the risks we take to understand the cosmos. Every transmission cut short, every signal lost, is a chapter in a story that continues to unfold, of a species determined to find its place among the stars. As we send new probes into the void, we carry a message of hope, that silence is not the end, but an invitation to keep searching. Thanks for watching, Nebulon. If you enjoyed this journey into the mysteries of space, hit that like button and subscribe for more stories from the final frontier.